Hi, Geoff here, back again with another lesson. Today I'm going to look at the Anthem Part 2 by Blink-182. Blink-182 seem to be having a bit of a resurgence amongst my private lessons. I get a lot of people come and ask me to learn their songs, and this one crops up a lot. For the most part, people seem to be able to figure it out apart from what happens in the verse. So what I'm going to show you today is just the verse part. This kind of crazy tom part. It's fast as hell. Fast, alright? So the only way to learn it, we're going to start real slow and we'll build it back up. Now the part itself is a 2-bar loop. I'm going to teach you the first bar and then the second bar. Well, the first bar we're going to split in half. So the first half of the first bar is real simple. This is the rhythm that we're going to listen for. 1 and 2 and a. Simple as that. 1 and 2 and a. Ba 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 da. And it's right, left, like this. Two kick drums in line with this floor tom. So first thing, just practice that on its own. Second half of the first bar. Right, left, and then we're on this ride cymbal. Now if you've got a nice pingy type ride like Travis Barker's got, you can kind of hit it anywhere. This one's a bit dull, so what I'm doing is I'm hitting the bell of the ride cymbal. So I've got right, left, ping, like this. A little hard to loop that one is, so I wouldn't even bother looping that one. So if we play the whole first bar then, I've got 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Second bar, first half, we've got 2 bass drums, no right hands this time. So I've just done the ping, my right hand's coming over this side of the kit, so while it's doing that I play 2 bass drums. Ooh, that was a bit loud. I've got a flam on the snare drum, and then I've got a left hand open hi-hat, which is a bit weird if you haven't hit if you're right-handed basically. So we've got bass, flam, left hand like this. Close the hi-hat on the 8th note that follows it, so 1 and 2, open, closed. That's the start of the end part. So the next thing I'm going to hit this china over here. If you haven't got a china cymbal or anything over this side of the kit, just go back to the ride cymbal. I think Travis Barker uses a china, so we're going to try and copy that. So we've got bass drum with the right hand, left, right, left. So and 4 and a is what we're working on here. And 4 and a. Whole of the second bar. And here's the 2 bars back to back, nice and slow. So to learn it, you've got to learn to play really quick. Now, learning to play fast is a lot easier than it actually sounds. So all we do is, if you imagine that you have to learn a phone number now, 0795, blah, 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 but you wouldn't go 09775, 09775, 097, right? You'd go 097, what's next, 5, bloody blah, right? The way I want you to learn it is in the same kind of fashion if you're reading the music, learning like that, or if you're just using it from memory, learn like that. So a little bit like, what have we got? Right, what's next? Left, right, left, right, left, ping up here. It doesn't have to be the correct rhythm first of all. It's just learning the sequence of numbers. Right, you've got to memorise that sequence of numbers before you're going to be able to play it quick. Once you've got it so you can loop it slow, just go again and again and again. You might have to do hundreds of times, all right? But it's worth it when you get to be able to play it at the full speed. So the original track 206, or around about that kind of area, I put a metronome on 103. I find it easier if the tempo, there's not so much kind of craziness in my ears. So if I put the tempo at half pace, then I can feel the downbeat a little bit, and I just work up. So I'd go through something like this. And all the way back up until I get back up to full speed. Okay, so the rest of the track is just fast punk, right? So we could play quarter notes if you can't quite keep up. Travis managed to do eighth notes. But it's all about rocking out, right? It's not particular. No one's watching you saying, "Oh, look, he's doing eighth notes instead of quarter notes," or "He's doing quarter notes instead of eighth notes," right? It's all about getting the vibe. That particular part in the verse, though, is such a nice part that it's well worth putting the time in. Okay, I'll be back with some more lessons. If you like these lessons, go check out my other lessons. The channel's full of them. I'm going to be adding more and more and more. So if you've got anything you want me to break down for you, leave a message in the comments below. Obviously, like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And I hope to see you again on this channel again soon.